So so Valerie, you were gonna tell me what you did to practice, right?
I didn't have time to.
Oh, so you did not practice. So when you said you did practice, you meant to say that you did not practice, right? And uh-oh. Let's see, hold on. Let's make sure this Wi-Fi comes back. There we go. There we go. Hey, Jason, there you are. We lost you for a second. How about you, Eleanor? Did you practice? Because you know how important it is to practice the things that we do in class.
Yes.
And so you can do the subtraction now, right?
Yes.
Great. Now, what about you, Jason? Did you get to practice as well?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, so Valerie, it's going to be a little bit harder for you, sweetheart, because you didn't practice. And let's see if maybe you picked it up in any event. So let's start with everybody choose a number, a 3-digit number, and write down, remember, it has to have 3 different digits, a 3-digit number. Like, for instance, Mr. Kramer is just going to throw down 123, but I don't want you to use that one. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you wrote down the 3-digit number. Okay, we have 1 thumbs up from Valerie. We have a thumbs up from Eleanor, and we have a thumbs up from Jason. Great. Now, remember, take that number, reverse the digits, and put the bigger number on top. So in my case, 321 is bigger than 123, so I put 321 on the top. And then I am going to subtract. Now, I want everybody to spend one little minute watching Mr. Kramer do his. Are you ready? Okay, Eleanor, your eyes are on the screen. Here we go. 1 is too small for 3. So we have to borrow a 1 from the 2 to make the 1 an 11. And then this 2, when you take 1 away from 2, it becomes a 1. But then we say, oh boy, 1 is too small for 2. So we borrow a 1 again, making that an 11, and taking away 1 from the 3, making it a 2. And when we do that, then we get 11 minus 3 is 8, and 11 minus 2 is 9, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, remember, do the problem, but do not tell me the answer. And remember, if you did the subtraction correctly, then the magic trick will work. If you did not do it correctly, the magic trick will not work. Raise your hand if you're ready. Okay, so Eleanor, you need to say to me, Mr. Kramer, for instance, I would say to you, the last digit in my answer is an 8, okay? Or you can tell me, no, the first digit in my answer is a 1. So what you have to do is you have to tell me whether it's a first or last digit in your answer. Okay, so who wants to go first? Eleanor, do you want to tell me? And so you get to choose. You can either say first digit or last digit, and then you have to just give me that digit.
First.
Okay, so Eleanor is going to give me Eleanor first digit. And look at that, Jason, E1, it came up again. All right, Eleanor, what's your the first digit of your answer?
7.
If 7 is the first digit in your answer, then your answer should be 792.
Yes.
Oh my God, it worked. It worked, which means that you did the subtraction correctly. Jason, do you want to give me yours? And you have to say whether it's the first, like Eleanor did, or the last. So Jason, which one? No, but you have to tell me if it's the
The
first
last
or the last.
is a 0. The
The
last is a 0.
The last digit is a 0. Huh. That's a little puzzling. That's a little puzzling. Is your number 99 by any chance?
No.
No. So can you share with me what was the original 3-digit number that you came up with? Because remember, they have to have different digits. What was your 3-digit number? Remember, mine was 123. What was your original number?
130.
130. And so when you reverse the digits, did you get 31? Yes? Is that what you did?
No.
Okay. So Jason, what did you do when you reversed the digits of 130? Where did you put that number? Can you help me out by telling me? All you have to do is tell me what your number was and where you put it.
130.
Right, but when you reversed the digits, do you know what it means to reverse the digits? The 0 goes in the first one, 3 stays in the second, and 1 goes into the last. Did you reverse the digits?
Yes.
And what did you get? What was your reverse digits?
71.
And now, when you say you did not subtract it, what did you do? What did you subtract from 130?
71.
Yeah. So when you were supposed to subtract this, can anyone, Valerie, can you help me with what we should do first here?
Wait, what are we doing?
I don't know. Can you see my screen? Do you know that we are subtracting?
Yeah.
And so what do you think we're doing? Subtracting. So,
Yeah.
okay, guys, here we go. 0, Jason, 0 is too small for 1. So we make it a 10 because we borrowed that 1 from the 3, making it a 2. But 2 is too small for 3. So we make that a 12 by borrowing 1 from the 1, making it a 0. And then what do we get? 10 minus 1 is 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. And the answer should have been 99. So in a way, you can say, Jason, that your first digit is 0, but your last digit should have been a 9. Now, Valerie, you're up.
My first number was a 9.
So Valerie says that the first digit in her answer was a 9, and I am going to guess that your answer was 99. Is that correct? Give me a big thumbs up or a big thumbs down. It can't be, excellent, excellent. What was your original number, Valerie? What was your original number, please? Valerie, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to count to 3, and I want you to give me your original number. 1, 2,
Wait.
3, go.
130.
Valerie, that was the number that Jason gave. You're telling me that you and Jason chose the same exact number? Give me a thumbs up. You really chose 130? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. Valerie, I'm going to give you a 3-digit number. You ready? 485. Valerie, I want you to write that down, reverse the digits, subtract the smaller from the bigger, and don't tell me the answer. Jason, yours is 420. Okay. Eleanor, and that's Jason. Eleanor, yours is 381. And remember, your first job is to reverse the digits. You have to put a smaller number on the bottom. So important. Put the smaller number on the bottom and subtract the smaller number from the bigger number.
1减8不能减11减8。
And let me know when you're ready. Valerie, are you ready yet? Oh, you're ready, Eleanor?
Yeah.
All right, Eleanor, you are ready. And hold on one second. I just want to get ready for you. So, Eleanor, go ahead and tell me what was the first or last digit of your answer.
The first digit, that's 1.
So the first digit of your answer was a 1. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to put an E. First digit is a 1. Your answer must have been 198.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. And Valerie, are you ready?
I'm not ready yet.
Okay, Valerie, tell me what you're doing here. Come on, I want to hear everything. So Valerie, your number was 485. What were the reverse digits that you did?
584.
Awesome. And did you put that on the top or the bottom?
Top.
Beautiful. Now, what did you do first, Valerie?
4 is too small for 5, so
you made the 4A what?
已经没有题目可以做了，你知道吗？
And Eleanor, look at
What?
me, honey. Pick another one. Pick another 3-digit number and do it until you can do as many as you want. As many as you want. Valerie, go, go, go.
a 14.
Yes. And how did you get that 1? Where did you take it from?
The 8.
And what does the 8 become? What does the 8 become?
I think
What does the 8 become? When you take 1 away from 8, what does it become, Valerie?
7.
Yes. And what do you do next with the 7?
Take 1 away from the 5.
Yeah, but to make the 7 a what?
17.
Yes, and what does the 5 become?
4.
Great, now subtract that and don't tell me the answer. Now, Jason, what was your, are you gonna give me, Jason, first or last digit?
Last.
Okay, Jason, what was your last?
One.
If your, I don't think your last digit could have been a 1, because if your last digit was a 1, your number would be 891. And I don't even think there's a way to get 891. So why don't we, wait, you say your last digit was a 3?
Yes.
Okay, let's try that. If your last digit were a 3, your answer would be 693. But I don't think that is your answer either. So let's look back. And what was the reverse of 420?
0.
0. Come on, keep going.
200.
Good. So, Jason, do you see that when you reverse 420,
这个是最小
you
的。
get 024? Jason, do you see that? And wait a minute.
24.
Right. And if you did this correctly, Jason, guess what, my friend? You did it. But unfortunately, we got 396. So your first digit was a 3, but your last digit was a 6. Jason, if I write down 728, what is the reverse of 728? Go ahead, Jason. What's the reverse of 728?
200.
Jason, let's try again.
从小到
What
大
is the
排。
reverse? The 8 goes in the beginning, the 7 goes at the end, and the 2 stays where it is. Come on, let's do that together. 820. Very good. Jason, do it again. Can you give me the reverse of the digits of 831? Go.
100. 78.
Okay, now, Jason, choose your own 3-digit number, reverse it, and subtract it. Go. Valerie, what did you come up with?
Wait, do I tell you the number?
Tell me the first or last digit, Valerie. But
The
you have to
first-
say which one it is.
The first digit.
And you have to say the first digit is?
0.
Ah, guess what your answer was? 99. Is that what you got? You have to be honest with me. If it is, you have to give me a thumbs up. If it's not, you have to say thumbs down. It's really important that you're honest. Valerie, what did you get, honey, as an answer?
I got a 98.
Okay, excellent. Thank you so much for being honest. I so appreciate it. Now, Valerie, here's your number. 14 minus 5 is what, Valerie?
8.
Try it again.
Wait, 14
If
minus
you take 9 plus 5, you get 14. 8 plus 5 equals 13. So do you see how 14 minus 5 is 9? And that's a 9, and that's a 0. Valerie, do it again. Do it again. Valerie, look at me in the eyeball. That's very loud. Let's try that. Valerie, I want you to choose a 3-digit number, reverse the digits, and subtract. Eleanor, now Eleanor, I want you to tell me all the ones that you've done.
I got 2.
Okay, you give me every one that you got. Go for it.
180.
Wait, no. Don't tell me the answer. Just tell me the first or last digit.
The first digit is 7.
And what was the second one? So the first digit is a 7. And Eleanor, what was the other one that you did?
The first digit is a 0.
I bet that your numbers were 792 and 99.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's great. Now, what about you, Jason? Can you tell me first or last digit of yours? Oh, I can't hear you, Jason. You're muted, buddy.
First digit.
All right, what's your first digit there, Jason?
3.
Wait, just give me one digit, just the first digit in your answer. Is it a 3? Is it a 3, buddy?
Yes.
Okay, was your answer 396?
Yes.
Yes, that's great. Now, Valerie, were you able to do another one?
Yes.
Okay, give me your last digit, Valerie.
5.
And Valerie, did you get 495?
Yes.
Wow. Now, everybody so far, Jason, are you listening, buddy? Jason, are you listening? Okay, it's very important that you listen. So, does anybody see something that is common in every one of these answers? There is something. How is Mr. Kramer able to know what your answer was if you just gave me the first or last digit? Does anybody see anything that is the same about every one of these numbers? Valerie, what do you see?
They all have 9s.
Wait a minute. Where do they all have 9s?
In the middle.
Guys, do you all see that the middle number is always going to be 9?
Yeah.
Now, guys, guess what? That's true. The middle number is a 9. Now, does anybody see how Mr. Kramer could get the last number or the first number? If Eleanor gave me a 7, why did I know the last digit was going to be a 2? If Eleanor gave me a 1, how did I know the last digit would be an 8? If Jason gave me a 3, how did I know the first digit was a 6? If Valerie gave me a 0, how did I know the last digit was a 9? How is this possible? What's going on here? Can anybody tell me? Does anybody see what's going on with the outer 2 numbers? Come on, we know the middle number is 9. Guys, look at 7 and 2. Look at 1 and 8. Look at 6 and 3. Look at, how about looking even at 4 and 5? What do you see about the first and the last digit? Come on, the first digit plus the last digit equals what? Come on. 4 plus 5, 7 plus 2, 0 plus 9, 6 plus 3, 1 plus 8, 2 plus 7. What do they all equal, Eleanor?
9.
Guys, they equal 9. So are you ready for this? I'm going to do one right now, and I'm going to tell all of you the first or last digit. And your job is to tell me the number. Okay? Now I want you to write it down. Make a little column. And maybe we should put the word middle first on the left, last on the right. Now, the middle digit is always going to be a what? What did Valerie notice?
9.
Okay, so you guys could literally put 99999999999. Okay, and I think it's kind of fun to make nines. Now, Jason, we're going to do you first. I'm going to tell you that the first digit in my answer was a 5. What's my answer? Oh, you're muted again, Jason.
590.
What's wrong with 595? Do the first and last digits add up to 9?
No.
Okay, so it can't be 595. It must be
4.
594.
4.
That's right. Now, Valerie, what if my first digit is a 0?
9.
But give me the answer. Tell me what my answer is.
99.
99. Eleanor, my first digit is a 2.
297.
Yes. Jason, my last digit is an 8.
198.
Yes. Valerie, my first digit is a 6.
693.
Wow. Eleanor, are you ready, Eleanor?
Yeah.
The first digit is a 9. Now, this is a trick question. Be careful. Be careful. The number cannot be 990. So if somebody says that their first digit is a 9, guess what their answer is?
99.
Yep. And the reason is, Eleanor, is that the first digit is where the middle digit is supposed to go, because their real first digit is a 0. Okay? You're very clever, young lady. Very, very clever. Now, do you know that I don't believe there is a number that would work that would have an 8. But if 8 were the first digit, everybody tell me what that number would be. On 3.
81.
There it is. There it is. There it is. Now, guys, I want you to practice that magic trick on your parents and everybody you can possibly find. Okay? And don't tell them the secret. Because if you tell them the secret, then it's not a magic trick, right? And then later on, tell them what the secret is, okay? Because I think they'll really like it. Now, would you like to do a different magic trick?
Yes.
Okay. Now, this magic trick you can choose, and I don't want you to write anything down right now. I want you to listen. You can choose any number of digits. So, for instance, I'm going to choose the number 392,461. All right. Now, isn't that a silly number? Isn't that a silly number? Now, watch this. The second step is to jumble the digits. Now, what does jumble the digits mean? It means that I can put the same digits. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. And I can put them in any order that I want. Are you ready? So I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go 1, 3, 6, 9, 4, 2. So, guys, did I properly jumble the digits where I have like so the 1 goes with the 1, the 3 goes with the 3, the 6 goes with the 6, the 9 goes with the 9, the 4 goes with the 4, and the 2 goes with the 2. So did I jumble them properly?
Yeah.
Okay, now the next step, and I love this step the best, is you're going to subtract the smaller number from what? From the what?
Bigger.
Right. Now, watch what happens when I do this. Are you ready? So first of all, I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to copy that guy, bring him down here. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to copy that guy, and I'm going to bring him down here. Now watch what I'm going to do. Mr. Kramer's going to subtract them. And let's do this together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Watch what I do here. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. The 1, come on, say it out loud with me. The 1 is too small. So we make the 1 a what?
11.
11.
Jason, we make the 1 a what? Jason, we make the 1 a what?
11.
Yes, and we borrowed it from the what?
6.
6.
And so the 6 becomes a what?
5.
5.
Is 5 big enough for 4?
Yes.
Yes.
So look at me in the eyeballs, please, Jason. No borrowing here. No more borrowing. Now we look at the 4. Is the 4 too small for 9?
Yes.
So we make the 4 a what?
14.
We
14.
borrowed that from the 2, making it a 1.
1.
Is the 1 too small for 6?
Yes.
We make it 11. Borrowing from the 9 to make it an 8. Is 8 big enough for 3?
Yes.
Yes.
Now watch this. I now can subtract from right to left or from left to right. It does not matter. Now, what I'm going to ask you guys to do next, are you ready? And this is where you really have to pay attention. You are not, watch this, this is really important. Do not tell me the answer. Number 1. Number 2, I want you to circle one of the numbers in the answer, and you can't, not a 0. So you can't circle a 0. And then, are you ready for this? Number 5, you tell me the other digits in your what?
Answer.
Yep. And guess what? I will tell you the number you circled. All right, are you ready to try this magic trick?
Yes.
Now, I want you guys to choose a 4-digit number to start with. Choose a 4-digit number with all different digits. And I'm gonna leave the rules right in front of you. So you can work on these. I'll be right back. Gonna get some water. Success. Okay, guys, tell me if you're ready to circle one of the digits in your answer. Are you almost ready?
I'm ready.
You're ready? Okay. How about you, Valerie? How are you doing with that?
I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go to a double display, and I'm just gonna be able to show you guys a little bit about the rules, because we're really not ready yet to do number 4 until you're finished. So I'm going to leave that up right there. And Eleanor, can you, now you circled one of your non-zero digits in your answer, correct? Give me a thumbs up. And can you now, Eleanor, tell me the remaining digits of your answer? You could tell me in any order. You could jumble those up too.
8, 8, 1.
Okay. I think, Eleanor, that you circled the number 1.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's so cool. Eleanor, do another one right now. Do another 4-digit number, or you can even do a 5-digit number if you want. Jason, are you great? Jason, are you ready to do yours? Jason, you have to unmute yourself first. And Jason, you're covering your camera and you're muted. Now you're unmuted. So Jason, are you ready to tell me, have you finished yours, Jason?
No.
Yeah, is that a no, honey?
No.
Okay, so why don't you work on it? Why don't you pick up your pencil and get working? Valerie, how about yourself?
这是打乱数字打乱，全数字。
Yes.
Okay, Valerie, circle one of your non-zero digits in your answer and tell me the remaining digits, just like Eleanor did. She told me the remaining digits.
Remaining digits are 3, 2, and 7.
And if you did the subtraction correctly, the number you circled is a 6. And if it's not, then tell me the two numbers that you chose, that you first chose a 4-digit number. Did you circle a 6?
Yes.
You did. So can you tell me what were the numbers that you chose? The 4-digit number.
Oh, the 4-digit number. I did 1, 4.
That's only 2
One.
digits.
1 and 8.
So this was the original number.
Yeah.
Now, when you jumbled it, what did it look like?
4, 1, 8, and 1.
4, 1, 8, and 1. Beautiful. When you subtracted it, look up at the screen. Did you have a 1, a 7, a 1, and a 3, giving you a 2, a 7, an 8, and a 3? And I don't think you, because you said 327, right? 327. And so did you circle an 8?
阿姨，你自己在什么？我说打乱。
Actually, my mistake. I wrote down an 8 when I meant to write a 6. So, Valerie, are you sure that you did not circle the 6?
I did circle the 6.
You did. And did you get 2,763?
Yes.
Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. Jason, are you ready to give me yours?
Yes.
Okay, buddy. You circled one of your non-zero digits? Yes.
Yes.
And what are the remaining digits of your answer?
200. 2,700.
So can you just give me the digits of your answer that are not circled? I just want the digits of your answer that are not circled, because I didn't really hear that very well. Can you start with just the first digit?
2. 2. So 2, 7, 0, 0.
Yeah, but that's too many digits, because if you had a 4-digit number, did you circle one of the digits?
Yes.
Well, if you did this correctly, you must have circled the number 9. Did you circle the number 9?
No.
Okay, so Jason, what was the original number that you chose? What was the original number that you chose? Jason, what was the original 4-digit number that you chose?
1,481.
And when you jumbled the digits, what did the jumble look like? What was the jumbled digits, please?
4,181.
And everybody should be looking up now. Jason, is 1 big enough for 1?
No,
Yes, it is. 1 minus 1 is what?
it is 0.
8 minus 8 is what?
0.
Is 1 big enough for 4?
No,
So, Jason, did you borrow from the 4 and make it a 3? Yes?
yes,
Now, Jason, your answer was 2,700, correct? Correct, Jason?
yes, yes,
Now, Jason, look at the rules. You're not supposed to tell me your answer. Do you see where it says, do not tell me the answer? Circle one of the numbers in your answer, not a 0. So you should have circled, let's say, the 2. And then
7.
tell me the other digits in your answer. So what you should have done is told me, oh, Mr. Kramer, the remaining digits are 700. And then I would have had to tell you that you circled a 2. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, can you do it again? Choose a 4-digit number or even a 5-digit number, jumble the digits, and then subtract them. And let me know when you're ready. Eleanor, are you ready with another one?
Yes.
And what about you, Valerie? Are you working on another one?
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, keep working, kiddo. You want to keep working. All right, Eleanor, go, go, go.
712.
Okay, so your remaining digits are 7, 1, and 2. Eleanor, did you circle an 8?
Yes.
You are really, really, really good at this. I am so excited. Now, Eleanor, I want you to pick a 6-digit number. So come on, do it. Do it. You can choose a 100-digit number at some point, but you have to be really good at this.
100?
All right. No, just do 6 digits now. Just do 6 digits now. All right. And Jason, tell me when you're ready. And Valerie, tell me when you're ready. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to do a crazy one. Wait, Jason, are you ready? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay, so Jason, did you circle one of the non-zero digits in your answer?
Yes.
Okay, good. Do not tell me what that number is. What were the remaining digits in your answer, Jason?
3,
In any order,
3, 9, 9, 3,
3, 9,
9, 6.
oh, 396?
Yes.
Is it 399 or 396?
396.
Okay, you circled the number 9. Yes?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now, Valerie, are you ready with yours?
Yes.
Okay, Valerie, circle one of the non-zero digits and give me the remaining digits. Go.
9, 7, and 0.
970. Valerie, did you circle a 2?
Yes.
Okay, Eleanor, stop for just a second. I want to show you guys how this magic trick works. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. So first of all, I'm going to erase this one because that one didn't work. But I want to show you what I did here. What I did was I added, and Jason, I need you to pay attention to this really well. I added 8, 1, and 8. Now, when I added 8, 8, and 1, can anybody tell me what I get? Come on, say it out loud.
17.
Now, I keep adding the digits until I get 1 digit. Go ahead, Jason. So Jason, put your knees down, buddy. Lean forward. And what is 1 plus 7?
1 plus 7 is 8.
Now, guys, watch this. I always grab the number 9. And I go 9 minus 8 equals what?
1.
1.
Now watch this. You ready? 3 plus 2 plus 7. Isn't that 12?
Yes.
Yes.
Keep adding. 1 plus 2 is?
3.
And then, are you ready? Remember that magic number 9? What is 9 minus 3?
6.
There it is. Let's do the next one. Are you ready? Are you ready? Valerie, you watching this? Add the digits. 7 plus 1 plus 2 is what?
10.
1 plus 0 is?
1.
And all we have to do now is subtract 1 from 9. And what do we get?
8.
8. Isn't that a crazy magic trick? Now watch this. 3 plus 9 plus 6 is what? Remember, 3 plus 9 is 9. I'm sorry, 3 plus 6 is 9. And 9 plus 9 is what? Go ahead, Jason.
9 plus 9 is 18.
And therefore, we have to add 8 and 1, Valerie.
9.
Now, guys, this is a special case. When your number is a 9, you don't subtract 9 from 9. Because remember I told you not to circle 0? So part of this magic trick is to make sure you do not circle a 0 and look at that, it was a 9. How about 9 plus 7 plus 0? Is that 16? Add the digits and what do you get?
7.
And what's 9 minus 7?
2.
2. Okay, so I want you guys to practice right now. You ready? I'm going to give you remaining digits of 3, 2, and 6. What is my circled digit?
7.
Well, I agree, and that's pretty amazing, but next time, Eleanor, do not call it out, because 3 plus 2 plus 6, everybody, Eleanor knew was 11. 1 plus 1 was 2. And then she did that magic number 9 minus 2, and it must have been a 7. Okay, are you ready? Now, the next one I'm going to give you is going to be a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 1. Now, remember, don't call the answer out. Valerie, do you have an answer?
8.
Well, we know that the sum of these are 8, but what is the number that I circled? Remember, you're supposed to always take that magic number 9 and subtract it.
1.
Yes. Jason, did you get 1 also?
Yes.
And Eleanor, you too? Yes, Eleanor?
Done.
Say again, love.
I'm not done.
Okay, okay. So listen, guys, very, very exciting. You guys now have 2 magic tricks that you can try with your parents and your friends and your grandparents. You
my
should
brother?
practice. Oh, yes, Valerie, I want you to do it with your brother, but Valerie, you've got to practice this week. Jason, practice. Eleanor, practice. And Stella, if you're listening, you're going to practice too. All right, guys, I'll see you next week for more magic. More magic.
Bye.